WordCamps are a great place to meet all WordPress users and developers. So I think it should be done on a regular basis. And now after WordCamp Jabalpur, it is one of like the frequency of WordCamps which were organized. WordCamp Jabalpur was organized almost after 2 years of first WordCamp, and now we see a WordCamp every few months. So that's a good.
Just justify it. It's required because like these gathering like these encourage people to know and get involved into software, open source software like WordPress. So it's not built into colleges and it's everything to contribute to open source or be part of such communities. These events are required to encourage.
I would say they should happen more. As for Help Out, I use it more as a the platform to connect with more new people who are doing the WordPress than as a more of a knowledge gathering event. And anyways, I've been doing WordPress for almost 6 years now, so I am not gonna learn something new in the tech part of it, but the networking helps. To get to talk to new people, to meet new people, it helps.
हाँ, मुंबई में क्या था, हो सकता है शायद मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन मुंबई पे ज़्यादा थी बड़ौदा से, लेकिन वो लोग इतना मैनेज नहीं कर पाए जो स्पीकर का लेवल था वो, जो वर्डप्रेस के हिसाब से। वर्डप्रेस के टॉपिक से हट के भी वहाँ पे बहुत सारी बातें हुई थी, इसीलिए वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा है इसके हिसाब से। यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर बातें वर्डप्रेस में हुई थी।
My first WordCamp as an attendee as well as a speaker, so it is awesome and I look forward to the first.
This was my first WordCamp as a speaker and as an attendee. So I've been following quite a few bloggers from India, so this was a perfect chance to meet them face to face, and it was fantastic.
It's growing. People are getting like the first WordCamp was mostly students who didn't even know what Twitter was. This time we have developers, we have people who are actually coding and programming and actually into WordPress. They actually know what WordPress is and they're using it every day. Okay. So that's a huge difference.
Nothing much has changed, I think, but there has been more awareness among WordPress users and developers.
WordCamps as a speaker, and this is the third WordCamp I am attending as an organizer. Actually, this time I was looking for a complete new range of speakers, so that people don't get bored of listening to each and every speaker every now and then. And yeah, we have learned from this experience, and we'll be looking forward to organize.
So WordPress is considered to be a blogging platform, but it is actually a content management system. More than that, it is actually a development framework where we can actually develop and manage even enterprise level content, and every other business flow can be implemented in WordPress using, and we can also build WordPress portals with WordPress. Like if you take a job portal, you can build it with WordPress, and you can name any portal that you want. It can be built with WordPress. So it's actually, the scene is changing from considering WordPress as a normal blogging platform to a development framework or a complete consolidated content management system. So I think the percentage of it was said 24% of world websites are being built with WordPress, and as the scene is changing in India and India has most websites, it should obviously increase it to somewhere around 30-40% in the near future.
The reason of liking WordPress was the simplicity with which I could develop things on it, and obviously the admin interface is way super simple compared to Joomla or Drupal. These are the two primary reasons why I started using WordPress, and later on basically found that most people are using for the same reasons. Okay.
Last night also we enjoyed a lot all the speakers. It's good for networking. It's WordCamp gonna be huge. It's basically family. Like it's gonna good.
To be frank with you, I really liked the audience of WordCamp Baroda. They were really engaging and they were really interacting with me and able to understand my point. And I loved Gujarat at all, properly, seriously. I loved it. So that has lived up to my expectations. I was really working hard on my presentation from the past few weeks, and they really make it worth giving the time to them.
So as soon as I came to know about WordCamp Baroda and the call for speakers was open, I gave about 2 proposals, and frankly speaking, both had got nothing to do with WordPress, but it did concern a much broader aspect. those for Wikipedia and bloggers. I have been editing Wikipedia, I have been part of that community, and I have many blogger friends who are actually Wikipedia editors. So I did want to convey few messages out to SEO industry and digital marketers and bloggers that how exactly Wikipedia runs. I tried my best to take them behind the scenes, that how actually editors see stuff and everything. So I did want to meet those guys, and it was fantastic. I mean, the questions they raised during my talk, bloggers also are concerned about licenses. That was the best part to know. It did exceed my expectations, and I never knew it would be so much of fun.
It's very nice, and I update my knowledge. It's very good experience to come.
I get more knowledge from here, from other developers, and I meet first time this event, so I get good information and also.
Very good actually, because I am a non-technical person, right? So in that scenario, I have learned actually what is the WordPress and how we can use. And being a non-technical person, I can even get the confidence, right? So I can build my own website. I have thought that today I will go to some web hosting site, I'll purchase one domain, and at least practice that.
To give back something to WordPress as a community, and there is not much community built up in India so far, so I'm just a helping hand towards this great WordCamp's future in India, and have our country's name on the international level. Yeah, I would like to thank them everyone for coming out in numbers, and hopefully they'll be able to support WordCamp, keep sharing, keep spreading the word around, and help us make this WordPress community a better one in India.
The events for a lot of time. So I've been doing PHP Camp before since 2008, right? So I did consecutively. Then I actually did Drupal Camp also in Pune. Then we did Joomla Day in Pune. And now basically we tried earlier also to do the WordCamp thing, but we never get the permission. But finally we got the permission, so now we're also doing the WordCamp in Pune. So it's kind of, we are focused on doing all the tech events in Pune. That's the general idea.